Hello, kids! This is Teacher James Lee. Today, we will learn some respectful attitudes towards members of the family and others. But before that, do you know the 5 essential magic words for kids? Here are the 5 essential magic words. Thank you. Please. Sorry. Excuse me. And may I? When someone gives you something or helps you, you should always say, "Thank you." When you want a favor or make a request, you should always say, "Please." When you make a mistake or hurt someone, you should always say, "Sorry." When you want to interrupt or get someone's attention, you should always say, "Excuse me." When you want permission or ask for something, you should always say, "May I?" Kids, we should show respect to everyone. And here are the examples of respectful attitudes. Kissing hands of elders. Saying thank you when receiving gifts. Obeying commands. Politeness in accepting visitors. And being helpful and kind to others. This time, check all the respectful attitudes towards members of the family and others. Good job, kids! You want to learn more? See you on my next video. Bye-bye!